Right the X.
Don't let the bastards get you down.